Hamjambo, hamjambo tena. Karibuni tena kwa kipindi kingine cha Let's Learn Swahili with Mwalimu Rose. Yaani, tujifunze Kiswahili kwa Mwalimu Rose. Leo tunaangazia aina ya vyakula na majina yake kwa Kiswahili. Tena, aina ya vyakula na majina yake kwa Kiswahili. What I'm saying is today we are learning about the vegetables, types of vegetables and their names in Swahili. So let's get started. Cucumber, cucumber, tango. In Swahili, cucumber is tango. Lettuce, lettuce. Kwa Kiswahili, mboga ya saladi. Lettuce, yes, we know it's a vegetable used in our salad, hence in Swahili, mboga ya saladi. Onion, kitunguu. Pepper, pilipili hoho. Potato, when it is one, it's kiazi. But when it's in plural form, potatoes, it is viazi. Hence, that's why I've shown you the difference. One kwa Kiswahili, moja kwa Kiswahili is kiazi. Many in plural, it's viazi. Tomato, nyanya. Haya basi, let's learn it one more time. Are you excited? Cucumber, tango, good job. Lettuce, mboga ya saladi, vizuri. Onion, kitunguu, good job. Pepper, pilipili hoho, you're doing a good job. Clap for yourself. Potato, when it is one, kiazi, but when in plural form, potatoes, viazi. Tomato, nyanya, vizuri sana. You did well in learning vegetables, types of vegetables and their names in Swahili. Keep on practicing, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I would like you to keep on practicing and kindly tell me at the comment section what you would like us to learn in the next episode of Swahili with Mwalimu Rose. Bye for now and take